Hi there, this is Melissa Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and today I'm going to show you something that I usually get into with some deeper level research projects that my students are doing. So a lot of times students are wanting to start their research on Google Scholar just because they can kind of get a lot all in one place. And oftentimes you'll do your searches on Google Scholar and you don't have full access to the articles. So I am going to show you how to find an article that you found on Google Scholar and then find the full text of that on our databases that we have subscriptions for. So I just did a search for teenagers and the social media impact, and I came up with this article, and this is on Google Scholar, and I came up with this article right here, and it looks like it's in the Journal of Child and Family Studies. It was published on October 17th. However, if you look down here in your citation, it wasn't published in the journal until 2018. So you can click on Cite this article and you can kind of get some more information. So we know it's from the Journal of Child and Family Studies. We know that it was issued in the issue of the January 2018 magazine. So I am going to go back over to my Mac and VIA, and there's a few different databases that are really good for this. The first one is Academic Search Complete, so that's one that you can use. Another one is this Advanced Placement Source. That's actually the one I'm going to show you today. And then another one that I use a lot when I'm doing this is Mass Ultra. So you kind of have a few options. There may be more. Those are kind of the three that I usually lean on. So I've already got the Advanced Placement Source open, so we're going to go over here. So this is the main page, and when we're doing this, we want to search for this specific article, and we know what journal it came from. So it came from the Journal of Child and Family Studies. So in our EBSCO, we're going to go over here to Publications at the top. Now notice there's a couple different search bars. You have the one that's here. That's going to do a search of everything. We want to search just the publications. And so it was called the Journal of, and actually I'm forgetting, the Journal of Child and Family Studies. Okay, so Child and Family Studies. All right, and so here it is. Now I want to show you a couple of things here. If we have full access to what's in this journal, you're going to see that it'll look like this. It'll say full text, and you'll see like the PDF or the HTML here. Sometimes, and here's an example, this Journal of Clinical Investigation, we only get the bibliographic records. So we'll get the abstract and the citation information, but that's it. You won't have the full text, right? So if we were to get access to this article, notice that they're wanting us to pay $40 just for this one article. This is why you want to use our databases, because we're giving you that free access to all of this really good information. So we're going to go ahead and click, I'm back over in EBSCO, we're going to go ahead and click on the journal. And again, we want to pay attention to the citation information. So we know the issue date was January 2018. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on 2018, and it's going to show me all of the issues from that year. We know that it was January, so we're going to click on January, and then we're just going to look for the title of this article. So it was The Impact of Social Media and Social Comparison. So we're going to just scroll down. And here it is, The Impact of Social Media on Social Comparison and Envy in Teenagers. All right, and so, and this might actually be a good one to read. But we have all of the abstract, and then we have the full text of the article. We can look at that in PDF form or whatever. But that is how you guys are going to look for information on Google Scholar, maybe to get like full results and not having to look in a whole bunch of different databases, and then cross-search that and look into our databases. The biggest thing is to remember to click on the Publications button at the top. So if I click on Academic Search Complete, remember we just clicked on get it to load here. Publications right here at the top. And then the biggest thing to be careful is that you're only searching under this publication search bar, not this top one, okay? And you're going to look for the name of the journal, and then you're going to look for the year, and then the issue number. So I hope that helps you find what you're looking for. Remember, if you ever have any questions, just to reach out to the media specialist at your local school, and they will be happy to help you. Happy researching!